Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to cut or trim video in CapCut. Let's get started. First of all, you have to import your video to CapCut, and here I have imported my video, and I'm going to cut this video. And if you want to cut the video, you can simply click on the video like this, and you have to move your screen to the right or to the left to place this separator. Place this separator to the part of the video that you want to cut. Then after that, you can click on split button right here. Alright, and we can remove this part to cut this video. And actually there is another way to cut the video. You can simply click on the video, and then you have to drag it like this until you get the clip that you want. Alright, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, that's how we can cut or trim video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.